Okay.
and share my screen. Do you see it now?
Yeah.
Great. Let's open our software. It's already opened in a project. Okay. Look, before showing you, look here. What is the issue here?
There is no
The
stop for the sound.
there is duration. There is problem with the duration. Yes.
Great.
The limit.
The limitation of characters per second. See? You see here?
Yeah.
We can amend it here from the options. Let's see. Oh, you see, single line max length is 39.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's wrong for this project. We have to edit the profile again. Netflix other languages. Let's see it. Mm, again. Okay. This is Netflix other languages. Okay. There is
Okay.
yeah. There is something wrong with it. Let's amend it manually. We have to set the characters per line, which is 42 characters per
42.
line. Yeah. Max
Okay.
characters per second is 20. Let's edit it manually. 20. Okay. Mm,
Okay.
that's enough. And we edit. Okay. Okay. It's perfect now. Let's press OK now. Here, this one, okay, exceeds the character limitations per second. What
Okay.
shall we do? What shall we do? We can delete one word or rephrase the sentence here. Okay, I know this is in Arabic,
Okay.
but I can delete this one. It's a repetition, so there is no issue now. You see?
Okay.
You see? I can rephrase
Yeah.
my sentence or delete something not key for the meaning. Here,
Okay.
here it's also exceeds the limitation of characters per second. So
But Shaimea,
yeah,
but I have a question in this regard. So it means
yeah,
we may skip some words. We may omit some words in
yes,
subtitling.
yeah,
By
yeah.
rules, but it's possible by rules to omit some words.
Great. To rephrase, whether to rephrase my sentence or translation, or delete something which is not important or can be a repetition in the
Okay.
meaning. Okay. You you,
Okay. Okay. I got
Okay.
it.
you mean that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here we can omit this word. It's not important. Mm, there's still an issue. We can somewhat. We can go backwards. It's okay. Okay. So I think there's still one issue here. We can delete this one and this one. It's okay now. You see?
Yeah.
You see, we don't have any technical issues here regarding characters per second.
Yeah.
This was a QA for one of subtitling projects for a client. Here, here the duration exceeds 6 minutes. The client prefer to split this line. He said that it's so long. If I can split it at some point, I can manage it. I can split it here, but let's listen. Let's split it here and stand after the word or the point. I want to split my line, my subtitle event, and press right click and choose this option, split line at cursor here, okay, and video position here.
Mm-hmm.
You see,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
we can make it one line. We do not have to unbreak it, to sorry, to break it, to auto break it. Here we can manage this issue of punctuation, reverse punctuation from here, reverse
Mm-hmm.
RTL, start end for selected lines. You see it now.
Yeah.
Great. This is what we mean by QA and editing our work. For the issue you mentioned in the beginning of our session, Julia, let's use this option, tools, fix common errors here. We can fix common errors here, you see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Let's search for the sign of songs. It's here. Yeah,
Oh,
you see, we can
yeah.
we can activate it from this option,
Mm-hmm.
from fixing common errors. Replace music sample like this with this, like this.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
Yeah.
example. Sweet dreams
Mm-hmm.
are blah blah. This is the sample. You mean this sample?
Yes, yeah, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
this one.
Yeah, yeah, this one. Okay. Okay, let's close
Mm-hmm.
it.
Yeah, now I understand. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's close this and close this project also, and delete it. Shift delete. I don't want it. I just want to explain some points from you. Okay, that's okay. Look, I managed to give you this example for a QA report from my client. Really, I played the video and the subtitling SRT file in another options which I cannot see. You see, when we were explaining the last session, we make a mistake by changing our options, so it makes a conflict with his project. So we have to reset our options from here. Okay, it's okay now. You see, you have to make sure of your options to suit your client's instructions.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay now.
Mm. Okay.
That is the issue. This is okay. This is the client's feedback. Let's read together. Look, these technical issues are highly expected, but I should know, or I must know how to master it or manage it, how to solve it. Okay, so it's not a
Okay.
big problem, but I have to know how to solve this problem. So this was a live example for this QA report from the client. Let's read. This is my client's feedback. I'm preparing the files for delivery to the end client, and during QA checks, I have found a number of subtitles exceeding 20 CBS,
Characters per second.
characters per second reading speed. So we have a technical issue here for exceeding 20 characters per second CBS reading speed. That was I mentioned before when I show you how to fix it. Okay, the client is quite concerned for all subtitles to be under 20 CBS to ensure easier reading. So I'd like to check with you if you can make some tweaks to bring the characters per second down below 20. You can check using error report in the VSS. This is a subtitling software he asked me to work on. It's the same as subtitle edit. I work on VSS, but I prefer to complete my work on subtitle edit. Okay, the QA report.
But here, Shaime, for example, if you work in subtitling edit, so simply when you make, you can change the format to be VSS or not?
No, this is not format. This is a software. This is a software.
Okay.
But still he needs an SRT file with the same with the same instruction. This is just the name of a subtitling software, but he required an SRT file. Okay, let's see this line. If your air checking preferences are not set up, here is the issue. Okay,
Yeah.
you can manually set them to 42 characters max per line and 20 characters per second reading speed. So we know how to fix it from here. Okay, we know how to fix it from here. This one, max characters per second and single line max length here. Let's fix this also manually and press OK. Okay, let's see. If needed, you can slightly rephrase sentences. We can rephrase sentences. We can rephrase sentences or use a synonym for a word, make it shorter to read. If there is nothing that can be done to make the CBS under 20 as close as possible, you would prefer this percent 20.1 or 20.2 only. We shouldn't exceed this percent, okay? For speed reading, for reading speed, sorry. So clients' preferences and instructions may vary and be different from one to another. So we know we must know how to set up or to apply these instructions in our software, whether it's subtitle edit, VSS, Camtasia, any other subtitling software or online platform. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shami, do you know the VTT format? VTT.
W? You
Yeah.
mean
No. B.
V for victory.
B?
V.
Oh,
victory.
yeah. This is Z. This one, VTT.
Yeah.
This is This is a format. This is a format. Let's see it here. This is a format, a file format. We choose it. Choose it from here.
So anyway, we're working and normal tool and
Yeah, and the client asked to deliver your file in this format. I remember a project I did it before for WGE. I remember this one. VTT. It's here. Let's scroll down. This one. You see?
yeah,
You see it?
Yeah.
Web,
web
yeah,
VTT.
web
Yeah,
VTT.
yeah,
This one. When your
yeah,
client to ask you to choose any other file format, you can get it from here or from the online platform I gave you. I think 2 sessions ago. You remember?
Yeah.
When we want to
To transfer
yeah
to another.
when we want to transfer our file from an SRT file to a VSS file or other one, okay, we can use to transform to these options or file formats also, okay, from this one or the
But do you know, Shaimeh, but do you know for what type of programs or maybe services, I don't know, this format is used?
I think this format is used for TV,
Ah, mhm.
TV programs
for
and
TV.
cinema and so on. We have
Mm.
various formats here. We have also format for YouTube. You see, YouTube
So
just
any format
yeah,
this
this one. You
program
see this one,
supports, so
yeah.
we can travel. Yeah,
This
yeah.
program,
It's
yeah, this program supports a lot of formats. We have here.
Mhm.
yeah,
This
yeah.
is
I see
text.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. This is XML, YouTube annotations. Mm, you see?
So actually, this subtitle edit is a universal program that can
Yeah,
translate,
yeah.
that can
It's the most
deliver
advanced
Most
one.
of
different
programs.
formats.
It's the
Uh-huh.
most advanced one. It contains a lot of updates
Mhm.
regularly. So I prefer to work on it. Whether my client asks to work on an online platform or any other software, so I can work on the online platform or the other software. But finally, I refer to this one. This is my lovely software. It's the most advanced one.
Mhm.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
Okay. Today we will learn a new trick in subtitling. Uh, let's see. Before we see it, let's see this example for SDH. You see this episode for Netflix from Netflix. Okay, it's
Yeah, you
the
send it
series
in the
of
WhatsApp.
our planet. Yeah, yeah, it's a great example for SDH subtitles. Let's play it from the beginning to see. You can study SDH subtitling from these episodes. Great.
Okay.
You see here.
Yeah.
Let's return it again. You see this?
Radio
This is,
static.
yeah, this is a sound effect. Radio static. Okay, this is a sound effect. He put them between brackets like that. Okay, in this line. You see the previous one, which is beep. He put it also between brackets. You see it.
Yeah.
This is a sound effect also, and this one in distinct radio chatter is a sound effect also. He put it between brackets like that. You see, here is the speaker ID. His name is David Attenborough. Yeah, this is the speaker ID. You see, he put it between brackets like that in uppercase. Okay, in uppercase here, and complete its sentence regularly. You see here punctuation. Punctuation matters, so we do not have to omit them. We must commit to punctuation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We know then that this subtitle for the SDH. Okay, so we can study SDH subtitles from here. It's a great example for what we mentioned before. Okay, have you any question regarding this area, Julia
No,
and Larissa?
I have a question.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go
The
ahead.
question is,
Yeah.
for example, if there is any dictionary, for example, like which terms to use.
Yeah,
Like,
great.
for example, like beep, or maybe, for example, like knocking at the
Applause,
door.
crowd,
Yeah.
shouting, crying.
Yeah, if there is anything like this.
I think in our language in Arabic we do not have a lot of resources for SDH, but in English language I think I crossed by one of them. I'll remember it and send it to you. I think one of my colleagues sent me before a reference for these voices. I think it's a book or a title. I cannot remember well, but I'll remember and send it to you. I think there is a great reference in English language. For English, there is a
But,
reference.
will be
you
great.
understood you understood my question, right? Like, for
Yeah,
example, like
I
how to
understand it.
describe.
Yeah, I understand it. I see in our Arabic languages we have great equivalences, but really I didn't come across by a specific reference for these sounds or sound effects. But in English, it's available. It's available.
Okay. Okay.
Let's finish our session today, and I'll search for it and send it to you.
ماشي.
ماشي. Okay. ماشي in Egyptian dialect. Yeah, Julia.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Let's see our new trick today. Let's get the video. Not this one. Look, this is our video, okay? Assume that we do not have any script or any subtitles for it. Assume that in YouTube we cannot find the script. It's not available. Okay. So how to create an SRT file from scratch in an easy way? This is another way to create subtitles. Let's see. This is the waveform. Okay, this is our waveform. Let's right click and choose this one. You see this one? This is a new trick.
Yeah, very important note. We like it.
Shaima, you're a magician woman.
Yeah. Yeah. I prefer that to show you from the different way to the most easiest way. To know, yeah, you asked me to know subtitling from A to Z. Yeah?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
This is subtitling from A to Z. You have to know all tricks. Okay? You have to know how to manage your file, whether manually, automatically, whether how to guess time codes. I always name this option as Google Translate. You see, Google Translate is not perfect. It's a machine translation. Yeah, we we cannot rely on it all the time. We can take 60%, 70% and edit the 20%. You see, you get it. So this is an automatic option. We can edit it, but it's a great. It can save our time, save a great time. Okay.
Yeah.
Guess time codes. Okay, it asked me from current video position or the beginning. We can choose this as we wanted to guess time codes from the beginning, not from a certain point in the video. Okay, we will choose this one from the beginning. And okay, you see here? This is an SRT file.
Very nice.
Larissa love it.
Want to show this from the beginning to us?
I'm a
No, Lorik, no.
Training trainer. You see?
Yeah, but what it will be if you will take the video with music, where is loud, also practical all the time. Let's see what's Tom and Jerry, what it will be.
It will divide the subtitling events and divide the music and the human voice. Let's see. Let's see whether it's perfect or not. Let's check it.
Okay.
Great. It's correct. Here we can merge these lines to make one sentence like that. Merge with the next. You see? To make it one. It's very easy. You see now. It's a very easy to make time coding and modify our subtitles. Yeah.
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 Here we can merge it with the next like that to make a perfect sentence, a complete sentence. And we can write our translation or transcription here, okay? Like that. And is an illness caused by blah, blah, blah. You see? It's a very easy to edit.
Yeah, Shaima, I have a question. When you try to writing the words, it give you suggestion.
Yeah.
But when I'm doing this, I haven't.
Because this is an option from Windows 10. I think it's from here, settings. From, I think from language.
Tamil language, it's in the middle, exactly.
Let's see it. Time and language, yeah, this. Where is language? This language, yeah. This is my yeah, this is my device language, English US. Okay, we can choose it from. I think I displayed it from here. Windows display English United States keyboard.
Oh.
No, not this. I remember I amended it from here. Yeah, I think this one. You see this one?
Yeah, spelling, typing.
Yeah, spelling, typing, keyboard settings. From
Okay.
here, yeah. Autocorrect, misspelled words, it's on. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
You got it?
Okay.
Highlight
Yeah.
misspelled words is on also. Typing, show text suggestions. This is text suggestions. You see?
Yeah, I see.
On.
Yeah, thank you
Yeah,
so
on.
much. It will help.
Yeah, great. This one, this option.
Yeah, okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, you see, this is a very easy way to make our time coding automatically. I see it's very easy and perfect, most perfect. We just need to merge this line with that or this line with that and so on. This is silence. You see this? You see this area, this
Yeah.
space? It's silence.
Yeah.
We do not have sound or voice here, so it know it by default and don't add it to the subtitle events. Let's amend this one. We have to amend it like that. It's a very easy. You see?
Yeah.
Sore throat, runny nose, shortness of breath, or loss of taste or smell. Most people have mild symptoms and recover. But some people, like older people,
Let's merge this one with the next.
or people with medical
And shorten this one and make this one longer like that. So you see, I managed to do my time coding in a very limited time, a short time.
Yeah.
So it's a very easy trick. Yeah, it's a very easy trick to suggest my time coding for the subtitles and add my translation or transcription here. Okay. Do you have any question for this?
No.
It's
For me, it's
great.
clear.
Yeah, it's a great way to work. Let's use this. No, not this. Options, spell check, tools. You see here, if we have text for this file, we can add it. We can add it from here. Import plain text. You see?
Yeah.
We can import it from here.
Okay, and
Let's choose open text file from here. Okay, we can open multiple files or one file. Open text file.
okay,
Let's choose it. I think this one. No, not this one.
this is Arabic.
What is okay? We can no problem. You can edit. Open. You see, this is the file now. It has no duration or start time or end time. Here we can generate time codes. We can generate time codes
Okay.
from here. Okay. We can press OK. There is something wrong here. Here it writes the time coding here. Okay, as long as the previous file contains the time coding. But if we do not have this time coding in the file, let's open it and delete it manually. What is it? This one. You see, if we do not have these, if we do not have these lines, we can just have the subtitles without time coding. Okay, you know how to delete it. Let's open the file from here. Don't say. Let's open it from here. Open it.
Who is it?